speaks, it dumps, and then it rallies throughout the entire rest of the week. So you cannot be complacent. It doesn't necessarily go a singular direction. You must understand the stock market is like that, and you have to find profits in the charts. Now remember, watch yesterday's video. I talked a lot about very key concepts here that I want to briefly talk about here. Now, you see it for yourself now, right? When the bottom Bollinger has started reclaiming the bottom here. Right, so this is one sign that I told you that there are a potential pullback that can happen. You see the 20-day moving average as well coming closer to the target that I want it to, near to the 700 level. And as I mentioned, right, you want to see the 5-day starting to plateau and starting to trend down. So this is when you want this, and you want the upper Bollinger to start trending down as well. This is when you know the possibility of it pulling back to the 20-day moving average can happen. The 20-day moving average retest happens on average once a month. So we have not retested that for quite some time. And so it's due for a retest to the 20-day moving average. Well, it happened this week, level by level, rhythm by rhythm, right? Don't be rushing this, as I mentioned. Let's clear this first, right? Before we talk about 20-day moving average.